The World Wide Web, or the Internet, was invented in 1989 by an English physicist, Tim Berners-Lee. This marveled invention was created by concepts from earlier hypertext systems. A more straightforward definition is millions of computers connected through an application filled with user-generated content. Without a doubt, the Internet has become the world's library. The content that can be displayed on your screen is almost endless. This can be very useful and comforting, but since its creation, people began to express concern about its use. More than a few groups feel that the World Wide Web seems threatening because of its ease of access. However, others see that the Internet as something that is proficient and can be used to spread and expand knowledge worldwide. Whatever the problem may be, governments are feeling the need to censor certain material on the Internet. I believe that due to its valuable resources, the Internet should not be censored because censorship would impede Americans' First Amendment rights. Some regulations could become helpful, but nevertheless, we can create better methods of education and protection than censorship. In addition, the United States created the First Amendment in the Constitution to protect the right of freedom of religion and freedom of expression from government interference. Cornell University of Law's website also states that the freedom of expression consists of the rights to freedom of speech, press, assembly, and to petition the government for a redress of grievances, and the implied rights of association and belief. This means that the government does not have the right to take away the Internet's freedom that contains speech or the press of the American people. The Internet's shortage of censorship encompasses the American freedom because of the First Amendment. However, in other countries, they have established a strict set of regulations. For example, China has made it official to fine their citizens 15,000 yuan, which is $1,500, if they violated their enforced guidelines. Wikipedia.org also states that more than 60 Internet regulations have been made by the People's Republic of China government, and censorship systems are strongly implemented by regional branches of state-owned ISPs, business companies, and organizations. These acts seem unconstitutional in the United States. Americans have every right to express their ideas and information on the Internet. Regulations should never be produced if it interferes with the Constitution. The most vital element of freedom of expression is the right of freedom of speech.